Hi everyone, I've been trying to cook a lot lately because we don't want to eat out, and today I've decided to make some lamb shank, and for that I need to chop up 2 onions with fresh jalapeno, with paprika, turmeric, black pepper, and cumin, with some olive oil, which I'm about to add to my big pot. First I'm going to put some salt. And I like to use sea salt. I don't like to use too much salt, but if you don't use enough salt, the lamb shank is not going to cook really well. So before I put any of the ingredients, I add the lamb shank straight into the hot oil, and I try to fry both sides. Once it's fried, on this tool, sorry ladies. Once it's fried both sides, I'm going to watch it so it doesn't get burned. Oh, that's kind of sticky. Alrighty. Now I'm going to add my onion and the jalapenos on one side, so it's kind of cooked all together. Slowly I'm using my left hand and hold my phone, and also my right hand to add all the ingredients. So I'm going to put 2 or 1.5 spoons of turmeric. Kind of just go around like this, sprinkle the cumin, same thing with black pepper. I just sprinkle enough, as you can see, I don't put too much. Paprika, and more olive oil on top. We're going to fry this. The onions get brown, and once it's brown, I add a little water and some cilantro and parsley, and cover the top, and I transfer it into my oven, which I'm trying to get it to 350 right now. It's being preheated. So once I put it in the oven, I cover the top and let it simmer and cook in the oven, get roasted for about 2.5 to 3 hours. It doesn't take that long, but you know, if you really want a good tender meat, it's better to leave it for at least 3 hours. If you don't leave it 3 hours, it's not going to be tender enough. It kind of feel hard and it doesn't taste really well. In the meantime, I'm boiling some potatoes. I'm going to be making some potato salad. But potato salad recipe will be totally separate. I will add that later on. So I'm starting my YouTube channel, and this is my first recipe. I've been cooking a lot at home, and my nieces in California have been asking me to do a cooking channel. I don't like to show my face, but I have a family of 3, and I like to just, share my recipe, healthy recipes to everyone. Because right now we're all kind of quarantined at home, and we're not eating outside food, and which is not really healthy or clean at this point. It's better to eat healthy at home. So, like I mentioned earlier, you want to wait until this browns, and then kind of toss it further and add some greens, and cover the top and let it simmer or cook into the oven for about 3 hours. Of course, you want to go back a few times and check to see if how it's going, and kind of turn the meat around so it'll be tender even further. Alrighty, I'll be sharing my potato salad recipe pretty soon. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye-bye.